Look at this channel. Millions of subscribers making kids animation videos. And look on Social Blade, how much crazy amount of money they're making monthly. So today, I'm going to show you how to make kids cartoon videos like this using simple AI tools. So to make these type of videos, we need 5 things. Number 1, the script. Number 2, a voiceover. Number 3, image generation. Number 4, image to video generation. Number 5, the final edit. Okay, let's move into number 1, the script. I'm not going to show you the process of how to sign up because everybody should know how to do that kind of simple thing. For the script, I'll use our old friend ChatGPT. I will write the prompt to generate the story for me. You should write as much as detailed as you can get to the relevant results that you like. If you don't like the first script, edit or change the prompt and try till you get the best results. So now my script is ready. Moving on to the next step. Step number 2, voiceover. For the voiceover, I'll use ElevenLabs. This is an amazing tool to generate human-like voiceovers. First, select your favorite voice artist from there. So copy your complete script from ChatGPT and paste it here. Then click Generate All. This will take some time. After generating, click Download. So my voiceover is also ready now. Now we're on to step number 3, image generation. For image generation today, I'll use Midjourney. This is a paid subscription to Midjourney, but I can also use Leonardo AI for free option. So in the Midjourney dashboard, I'll click /imagine, then just write your prompts to generate images. After generating first image, create a second one, like this. Generate all one by one. Now we're on to step number 4, image to video generation. To generate image to animation video, I'll use Pika Labs. First, sign up with your Gmail or Discord account. You know, it's simple. Now upload your image by clicking here. Then write the prompt to animate the image. I'm doing all images one by one to animate. Okay, our animation's also done. Now we're going to move into the final step. Final step number 5, final editing. For final editing, you can use any software. I'm using CapCut. First, I'm importing all clips into the project dashboard. Then arranging all clips according to the script and voiceover. Then after all arranging done, I'll click export. So finally, our cartoon animation video is done. I'll give the video link in the description so you can watch it. Thanks.